Hey guys, Manuel from Palm Beach Tactical here. We just got in Glock's new 19X and I have to say it's pretty freaking awesome. I love the color, it feels great. It seems to have better balance than the 17 and I like the extra length for my hand. Not to mention this coating on the side is pretty freaking wicked. So here we have a regular Glock Gen 5 19 to compare. As you've, I'm sure, already seen, the X does not have the cutout in the front. And then here we have a Gen 5 17. All of these guns have been checked before filming. They are clear. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe to our channel and let us know what else you want us to review. If you want to see this and many other unique firearms, stop by the shop. If you're not local, check us out on Instagram and Facebook at Palm Beach Tactical.